Hello everyone, my name is Shihom536hw5 and I'd like to answer week 5 question. The question is describe Porter's 5-force model and describe how it's related or is supported by industrial organization. The Porter's 5 forces model is the tool to understand what forces there are in the particular industry and how much the forces is affecting to the profit in the particular industry. First of all, each industry have a different limitation of profit. For example, the pharmaceutical industry, a company can earn higher profits than in other industry, such as hotel industry. This limitation of profits are depend on the 5 forces. If all 5 forces are weak, then firms are very profitable in the particular industry. On the other hand, if all 5 forces are high, the industry is low profit. 5 forces is negotiation power of buyers, negotiation power of suppliers, new entrants, substitute product, and rivalry. First force is negotiation power of buyers. Every company must sell their product or service to its buyers. There are 3 factors to determine the buyer's power is high or low. Small number of buyers purchase almost all of industry's goods or service. Buyer can switch supplier easily or not. The quality of goods or service are high or not. For example, I have worked in Japanese printing company for 3 years. The negotiation power of buyers were very high because they can easily switch suppliers, and the quality of printing materials were not so much different from others. Second forces is negotiation of power of suppliers. Every company needs to get ingredients to make their goods and service, and they must buy those from suppliers. Ingredients can be raw materials, long-term assets, financial support, and labor. There are 3 factors to determine the supplier's power is high or low. Demand for supplier's product, the quality of materials from supplier, ability of the industry to vertically integrate. For example, Japanese printing industry, there are few suppliers such as ink is from 2 companies, so its power was kind of high. Third forces is new entrants. If an industry is experience high returns, other companies want to do same thing. It's depend on economic scale, the relation between size and capital cost, customers' loyalties, limitation of access, patent, and knowledge. From my experience, there are many new entrants in Japanese printing industry because they don't need to invest a lot of money, and there are no customers with loyalties. And fourth is substitute product. If there are product or service with similar functions comparing to its industry product or service, that is substitute products. There are 3 factors to determine the impact of substitute product. Ability of customers to compare quality, performance, and price. Ability of the products to bring good enough performance criteria, and switching cost. Last forces is rivalry. There are so many rivals in Japanese printing company, and there are 2 big companies which is almost dominant in the industry. 2 big companies, Dentsu and Hakuhodo, are top, and they are outsourcing their job to other printing companies in Japan. Rivalry is the greatest impact in the 5 force model. So this is my answer for week 5. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.